people, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new around here, I'm Emma XO, and I'm so glad you're joining your daily dose of Emma, and a huge thanks to everyone for watching my very first video. Hey guys, this is my very first video. First time doing YouTube, so traveling today. And yeah, I'm kind of nervous.
Chips.
Huh?
Oh.
What do you mean? Add what?
A real person.
They're so cute, they're tiny. And this is so weird, like how people just look at you vlogging, like just putting out the camera like this is kind of weird. But you know what, I told myself I will do this. Where are we going?
Oh wow, let's get a beer.
I'm just gonna have a wine. I'm gonna stick to rosé.
You know how you feel, or you'll end up talking like yourself, you'll end up acting like yourself. Instead of putting on an impression of someone
Mr.
else.
Yapper. I just gave to the good part.
That's probably enough to fucking send you off.
That's a lot, but anyways.
Yeah, I think you
Almost
get
2 serves. And most people think I'm going back home to Zambia. Guys, I literally put like emojis that are kind of obvious, so people would probably think like Thailand or Maldives, or even Bali. But no, most people said Zambia. I don't know if you guys can see properly, but yeah, most people said voted for Zambia. And I feel bad. They'll be so disappointed because I haven't gone home in like over a year. So guys, we just arrived at our hotel and it's about 10:15 p.m. and we are so tired. Well, I'm very tired and I'm really hungry because I don't like eating plain food, and like, you know, I couldn't eat on the plane, so we're not gonna go find something to eat. Guys, and it's really hot here. It was so cold in Melbourne, but when I arrived here it's like 27 degrees and it's 10 p.m. and guys, I'm so hungry, like I can't stop speaking about food, so I'm just gonna go drop off our bags in our room, and then we're just gonna go out to find something to eat. Like at this point I don't mind eating anything. I could literally even eat food from like 7-Eleven, like, I'm that desperate, like. But yeah, anyways, we had to go anyways because yeah, I forgot to buy a SIM card at the airport because I was really hungry and couldn't focus on anything at all, so I'm gonna take you guys with me. Guys, I'm so tired and I still haven't eaten, but we just got into our room. We just got our stuff in and now we're gonna walk out. Yeah, honestly, we're just gonna take a walk and just see what anything that's like close by we could have, you know, anything to eat. so hot, I don't feel like putting makeup at all. Like it just makes me feel like there's just so many layers. But no, I still have to look cute. I still have to do it, you know. Supposed to meet one of our drivers. He's supposed to come down soon because right now it's like 11:45, and I think he's coming at like 11:30. He's supposed to like just to arrange our like stuff to go back home when we're done with the trip. To activities, like if it's far out of town or something, because initially my boyfriend was gonna get he was just gonna get a scooter for us. I trust him that he knows how to, you know, use one. He does actually know how to use them, because when we went to Bali last year, yeah, he's pretty good at it. I need a blush. Yeah, I'm just gonna use the Patrick Tar. I'm just gonna go in with this honey lip oil, the Gisu one. It's pretty good. This is literally my favorite setting spray. Look at that shape. Comes with a matching bracelet. I hope it fits. I'm just gonna, yeah. Mirror selfies always. Guys, the background is so messy. Like you can literally just see my bag, my open bag over there. But you know what? It's all good. As long as, you know, I feel happy. Yeah, so I'm ready. That shouldn't have taken that long. Yeah, I can't wait to go to the beach. I'm actually now starting to feel really hot. Like, even though I literally already showered in the morning, I might have to do it again before we leave. But then again, I do my makeup, so yeah, I'll let you know. I'll let you guys know how it goes. Actually, you guys are gonna come with me. You guys are gonna come with me. And yeah, literally it's 11. So we literally have a whole day. Yeah, my day officially starts now.
Yeah. This Thailand. Yeah. And then when you go to the road, you turn on.
I don't feel like swimming just yet. So this is the outfit change for tonight. Let me know what you guys think. My boyfriend and I are planning to go watch the Mauy Thai in Patong, and right now we are currently in Karon. So yeah, that's quite a drive. I think it drives like 10 minutes or like 15, but my boyfriend and I are just gonna go with the scooter. We're gonna just get a scooter and just hire one for like the whole time we're here. And yeah, so I'm hoping this is quite like bike friendly. I don't think it will be too bad. So I'm planning to actually wear boots with it, because you know, when the evening comes, who knows where I might end up. You know, I might be jumping, dancing. So I'm not even sure what I want to do for my birthday, but I'm pretty sure my boyfriend has something planned for me. So I don't want to, you know, try to say, oh, I want to do this and do that, because I have a feeling he's got something planned. Quite chunky. I think it'll be pretty good.
Got some ideas? What you want?
Yeah, sort of.
So my boyfriend and I are in what area is this? Patong?
Patong, yeah.
Yeah, we're in Patong. We just had our Bangalore Road.
Still Japanese.
Off to bed, guys. Good night. Morning. decided to take some pictures. We were here, guys. The place is so pretty and like it's amazing, you know. And the water is literally so blue. Just got back from a swim. The water was so good, but really, really salty. Like my eyes right now are super red. Like we're at Phi Phi and we just had our food. He wants to buy me shorts. I got the back.
Okay. The shorts down here, but they're not really the same kind of.
So right now I will be heading out to the spa because it's my birthday today. It's 11 a.m. right now. Right now we're at a place called Bosu. It's a Japanese restaurant. Just thought it was your birthday. So cool. It's literally red velvet chocolate and cheesecake all in one cake.
Mud cake.
Mud cake.
Yeah, chocolate and red velvet mud cake laid between G cake.
222.
When we drink with Emma, she gets it down in 8, 7, 6, 5. Yeah, you started drinking on 7. What the fuck?
It's sweet.
Okay.
Taste it. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, loser. He lost. Why can't I finish this? They said the bar was closing and I didn't want to like, because I know I take my time with drinks, so I wanted to just have it all before they close. So I'm gonna have to take my time with it because I don't want to, you know?
Take away.
Take away.
Maybe we can take away. This is where you got to take away my food.
Good morning, guys. So I'm just at the hotel restaurant or eating area. I'm about to have my food. I'm about to have my breakfast, but my boyfriend is getting me the food. Got really sick yesterday, guys. I got food poisoning. Damn! I thought it was a sushi. He had it too, so it can't be the sushi, and he reckons it may be my cocktails, maybe the ice from the cocktails. But the good thing is I feel better today. I went to the hospital and now I've just been like putting in fluids because I lost so much blood fluids yesterday. Like I just constantly vomiting about like 9 times. Like, and yeah, the airport food, I'm gonna be very careful with what I eat because my stomach's very sensitive, and especially after this situation, the incident, I don't want to risk it. Like, I don't want to risk it, especially when traveling. That shit is painful.
Bread.
So that's my food. So I got quite a variety of food. Perfect combination of what I need right now on this day.
How is it? Hmm? It was busting.
Hey guys, a huge thanks to everyone. Shout out to everyone for watching my video. I really appreciate you guys' support. And yeah, I got home safe and I'm so happy. And I'm glad you guys watched the video. I hope you guys liked it.